Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a Beats uh, speaker. So now I open this speaker because not working. So it was the cover by like this, and then was like this cover. So how I remove this, guys. First I have to remove this plastic, okay, and under this plastic have two screw. You have to remove this two screw here and then remove this. After that you can see this cover was here and close, okay. You have to remove this plastic, and under the plastic have six screw. So now I try to open and check this speaker is not charging. So guys, now I will open. So guys, this speaker problem is charging socket. I think the no charge, you see, no light, not working. So now I have to open this speaker from all the side to happen slowly because this is very expensive speaker. So I hope I can fix it. See guys, this is very expensive speaker. Here is the double battery. This tube side has battery, and I have to open speaker already open. Here is the battery connection. You have to open it slowly. So guys, I have to check the connection. Here is the charging port, so I have to open and check. First I have to open the battery. I remove this all screw and remove battery, then remove this charging socket. So for this I have to open this all, and now I have to remove this part for battery. Here is double battery, you can see guys. So I have to remove here also the all screw and remove this charging port, and here is the charging port. I don't know this charging port is working good or not working. So I connect the charger and then I check here is the voltage coming or not coming. So guys, I find the problem, this charging socket do not give the charge, and not charge the battery also not working. That's why I open the battery also damage here for this charging socket not working. So if you have the problem like this, you buy this charging socket and replace this charging socket, it will be work inshallah. So I return back this plastic, I remove it from the battery. I check the battery, is battery working, battery giving 5 volt, giving 3 volt. This two battery is breeze make the 7.5 volt. It's like this, but this charging socket is do not giving the charge. So I also show you. So guys, sometime maybe you can see your this cable is not good connection, so you have to check, or you buy the new charging socket. So this is the iPhone charging socket, cannot change, have to change all this. So now I return back all the screw. So I return back this connection. Okay, so I now check this charging or no charging. So also no charging, so I have to change the charging port. So guys, now I return back all the screw here, the 6 screw. Okay guys, now I return back this plastic. Okay, and return back this before this I have to return back the steel. Okay, here is 2 screw, that's it. Okay, so almost done everything. So now I return back this the front side, so no need to open the front side. Okay, it's done.